Session 2.3 Finding trigonometric function values using a calculator. Caution: when evaluating trigonometric functions of angles given in degree, remember that the calculator must be set in the degree mode. Okay, sometimes if they give you the radian, make sure you're gonna use the radian mode in your calculator. Get in the habit of always starting working by entering sine 90. If the display answer is 1, then the calculator is set for the degree measure. Remember that most calculator values of trigonometric functions are approximations. So this is really good hints though. When you put in like sine 90, if the answer is equal to 1, then you're gonna know your calculator is gonna be in the degree mode. Finding function values with a calculator. Approximate the value of each expressions 1 to 5 decimal space. I want you guys try to use your own calculator. Find out what is a sine 49 degree. When you input your calculator, it really depends. Some calculator will put like 49 and then put sine. Some calculator will put sine first and then 49 degree. Try it with your own calculator and then 1 to 5 decimal space. Okay, check your word. You should get 0.75471. And then B, secant 97.977. So you won't be able to find the secant on your calculator. But remember that secant means 1 over cosine. Okay, use your calculator. You should get negative 7.20588. Okay, C. 1 over cotangent. 1 over cotangent means tangent. Okay, you should get 1.25395. D. Sine negative 246 degree. So you should get 0.91355. Example 2. Using inverse trigonometric function to find angles. Use a calculator to find an angle in the interval from 0 to 90 that satisfies each condition. So we restrict the data will be in the quadrant 1. Okay, quadrant 1. So this one, you should use the inverse of the sine, 0.96770915. So you should get 75.3999995. Okay, B, secant. Again, you're gonna use 1 over cosine. Okay, so you will have a cosine inverse 1 over this guy. You should get 18.514704 degree. Example 3. When an automobile travels uphill or downhill on a highway, it experiences a force due to gravity. This force F in pounds is the grade resistance and is modeled by the equation F equal to W sine theta, where theta is the grade and W is the weight of the automobile. If the automobile is moving uphill, the theta greater than 0. If downhill, the theta will be less than 0. Calculate F to the nearest 10 pounds for a 2,500 pound car traveling an uphill grade with data equal to 2.5. So this is talking about the uphill. Okay, so we do have the formula F equal to W sine theta. Okay, W will be the weight of the car. Use your calculator, you should get 109.048. And then we want to run it to the nearest 10 pound. So final answer will be 110. B. Calculate F to the nearest 10 pound for a 5,000 pound truck traveling a downhill grade with data equal to negative 6.1 degree. So negative is going to be going clockwise. Okay, we have the formula. Plug it in. You should get negative 531.3. If I run it to the nearest 10 pound, that'll be negative 530 pounds. You could see the force is going to be negative. I think it's because it's going like the downhill here. C. Calculate F for the data equal to 0 degree and data equal to 90 degree. Do this answer agree with your intuition? Okay, we're gonna try 0 degree. So you're gonna use this formula. Okay, sine 0, that'll be equal to 0. So that'll be 0 pound. So if data equal to 0, then there is a level ground and gravity does not cause the vehicle to roll. Makes sense, right? How about when data is equal to 90? You're gonna find the force that will be equal to the W. W is talking about the weight of the car, right? So if theta equal to 90, then the roll is vertically and the full weight of the vehicle would be pulled downward by the gravity. So the force will be equal to the weight, okay? That's it.